Would it be the end of diseases? Would hospitals celebrate and people stop washing their hands? Not exactly. In fact, if every bacterium disappeared, life on Earth would collapse within days. Let's break it down. First, yes, some bacteria are harmful. They cause infections, spoil food, and spread disease. So at first glance, a bacteria-free world might sound like paradise. But here's the truth. Most bacteria aren't harmful. In fact, they're essential to life as we know it. Let's start with you. Your body contains more bacterial cells than human cells. Your gut microbiome helps digest food, absorb nutrients, and even regulate your immune system. Without it, you'd quickly become malnourished and vulnerable to disease. But it gets worse. Soil bacteria break down organic matter, making nutrients available to plants. Without them, crops would fail. Forests would stop recycling dead matter. Plants would die, herbivores would starve, and the food chain would collapse. Bacteria also help animals digest food, from cows to termites. Without them, entire ecosystems would begin to unravel. And don't forget water. Bacteria play a vital role in purifying natural water sources and decomposing waste. With no microbes to break down sewage or waste in oceans and rivers, toxic buildup would spiral out of control. Even our oxygen supply would suffer. Cyanobacteria in oceans produce up to 20% of the planet's oxygen. Their sudden disappearance would throw the balance of the atmosphere into chaos. So yes, some bacteria make us sick, but without them, we wouldn't be alive to get sick in the first place. If this fact surprised you, give the video a like and subscribe for more daily science insights. One fact a day. Feeding your curiosity, one fact at a time.